Andhra Pradesh has rich livestock resources and is home tract of world-renowned breeds like Ongole and Ponganur cattle and Nellore breed of sheep. The state has valuable livestock resources and occupies 15th position in cattle, 5th in buffaloes, 2nd in sheep and 3rd position in poultry in the country. As per Government of India estimates for 2015-16, the state stands at 2nd in egg production, 4th in meat production and 5th in milk production in the country. Improvement and preservation of genetic stock. The breed improvement program is undertaken in the state to cover 54 lakh breedable cattle population available through the State Livestock Development Agency, engaging the services of private AA workers as Gopala Mitra in addition to AA centers in government sector. For faster multiplication of superior germplasm, the state government has entered agreement with SVVU and JK Trust to train field veterinarians on embryo transfer technology and to produce viable embryos through in vitro fertilization. To enhance the productivity by getting a calf of desired sex, 5,000 doses of sex-sorted semen was imported from US involving NGO BIF. In the endeavor to preserve indigenous cattle breeds, the state government has established National Kamadhenu Breeding Center in Nellore district under centrally sponsored Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Fodder management and security. Andhra Pradesh is the first state in India which has brought out a fodder security policy in 2015. The policy supports for propagation of world best practices such as silage and TMR feeding to the cattle. The state government is promoting green fodder cultivation in 30,000 acres at the rate of 5 acres per village through scheme Urura Pasugrasa Kshetralu, with large scale of involvement of women SHGs and with convergence with MGNREGS. The state government has been implementing the policy of distribution of feeding inputs at the rate of 1 rupee per kg of green fodder, rupees 2 per kg silage, rupees 3 per kg of dry fodder, rupees 3.50 per kg total mixed ration, and rupees 4 per kg concentrate feed to make livestock enterprise viable to the farmers. The government has also launched a ration balancing program to cover 2 lakh milk animals to make best use of feeding resources available with farmers. Modern veterinary care. Mobile veterinary clinics have been established in PPP mode to cover 45 remote locations in the state, covering around 810 villages. 13,000 Pasumitras at the rate of 1 per every Gram Panchayat in all the GPs in the state are in process of deployment to act as liaison workers at village level to disseminate information on all schemes to farmers. Small ruminant development. The state has also brought out a small ruminant development policy to tackle inbreeding problems in the sheep flocks and to check migration of flocks during summer season through supply of silage and TMR to the shepherds at affordable prices. Poultry development. The poultry development policy was also approved for the state to support poultry farmers through sanction of interest subsidy on working capital, concessional power tariff rates, and also to offer incentives to the entrepreneurs establishing egg and chicken processing plants. Use of IT in AH sector. The state government has bagged Manthan Award 2016 for ICT initiative involving Android-based software application in which Aadhaar authenticated data of the livestock owners has been captured for foot and mouth disease immunization program. Thus, the government of AP is adopting a holistic approach to the development of animal husbandry sector for promoting the economic well-being of the state.